Tomorrow morning we're gonna hike Borah Peak, but we're playing Scrud.
Guess who won? Whitney and Preston. That's why we're not in.
Yep, that's how the game works. First one out wins. That's why we're taking a rest. Jared's winning. This is Jared and Kaia. I'll show you around the Airbnb.
I'm a scrub. He's a scrub.
Here's the pool table. There's the open window as it rains outside. Hoping that we can hike tomorrow. Here's a cute little kitchen. Our dinner.
That's crazy.
Whitney, you can't be in the bathroom while I'm trying to vlog. Is that master bedroom?
Scored 3 times in a row.
6 beds. It's quite nice, really.
Hello, vlog. I'm currently underneath Preston. He's over there. Kai's over there.
Hi.
Oh, there he is. We're watching old vlogs. It's really awesome. Me and Kaia won at pool. Woo! 3-2. Because they kept hitting the black ball in. Losers. Anyways, tomorrow is looking better. Okay? So we might not die. It's looking like it's partly cloudy. Oh! It's raining right now, actually. So, we're gonna hope that the weather's okay, but good night. Good morning. Preston's out there living his best life on the rocking chair. Whitney's getting her backpack ready. I'm getting dressed. Jared's getting ready as well.
Good morning. It's 7:50 a.m. We're about to leave. Here's the view off our porch now. It's looking pretty good. That's pretty clear if you ask me. And look, we didn't even see these mountains yesterday, but we're right next to them. Our slide, my car. Look at the people over there just walking. This is their ranch, so it looks like they're hunting. But yeah, weather's looking pretty good.
We're in the car. And that's the mountain.
Woo! Tallest mountain in Idaho.
This is so exciting. How are you feeling, Whitney? You know, it's looking a little large. I'm so excited. There's so much less snow than we thought. True.
Yeah,
it's gonna be a good hike. Good memories.
Twice. Top of the morning to you. We're starting our ascent of Idaho's tallest mountain, Borah Peak. Yeah. We're 1 minute and 17 seconds in, and it's already raining. So, Kaia, you're always forgetting to start to watch. So yeah, there you can see the top, like straight ahead. Looks pretty nice. Looks like good weather. It's a perfect day, perfect time of the year for hiking. October 11th. Okay, after just 7 minutes, we're taking off the first layer because it's hot as balls out here.
Alrighty.
There's the car. And there's Whitney, the biggest fan of hiking. All right, it's raining pretty well. There's some nice colors around here. But we're chilling. Whitney's in the lead. Jared took the lead for a while.
Took the lead for me.
Yeah. But all is well. All is well. Okay, the rain's kind of picking up. We heard some thunder. But that was over there. So we're going that way. So we'll be fine.
Best tip of advice: brush your teeth and eat oranges after.
Thank you, Jared.
And be shorter than all your friends so you don't get struck by the lightning.
Who's the shortest here? Jared? Who's the tallest? I know it's me. I'm always the short one. It's kind of drippy.
It's raining.
We're huddling together.
Hey, Jared, you're looking pretty drippy today.
Drip or dry? Hello guys, it's raining really hard outside. We're waiting for the weather to cooperate.
Look, we can see the valley below now.
Hello, man.
And the sky is kind of blue. Look, oh, that's a lot of blue right there, guys. Holy crap. We're about to be chilling. We're about to hike up a mountain. Oh!
A lot of blues.
A lot of blue.
We like blue.
We like blue.
And we like mountains.
Yeah, we do. Okay, after a short little 15-minute break under a tree, we have some clear skies.
Woo! And some snowy mountains.
And we just
God is good.
We just met a Hispanic guy.
Yeah, we did.
We
Dios
said,
te bendiga.
Hola, amigo.
okay, we once again entered some clouds. It's kind of steep, but we're just riding along here. No view in sight. It's just steady switchbacks, so we're fine. And just like that, we made it to the ridge, and it's kind of clearing up down there. Look at that view, guys. We're halfway up. Nice. And you can see a peak over there. She's peeking at us. Mount Borah is right there.
Peekaboo.
You can't see it, but yeah, look at that. We have not been able to see anything for like the last 45 minutes.
You know, stopping us now.
It's getting so clear. Whoa. Yeah, it is.
This is nice.
Only
A
way
gift.
is up.
So high.
Only ways up. What's up? We're just cruising. You almost can't see my friends. So the visibility is quite low. But it looks like it's kind of gonna clear up maybe. Can't see anything, bro. But we're at like 10,300 feet. No, we're higher. We're like 10,500. Chicken Out Ridge is like 700, 600 feet away. I'm hyped. Look at that. Did you guys drop off with some frost on it? It is probably like 30 degrees. Kind of chilly. But the wind chill makes it nicer. Cooler, I mean. Okay, we kind of got a little clearing in the clouds here for a second. That's where we're headed. Mountain over there. Thoughts so far, Jared?
So far, so great.
Let's go.
Also, the PPYSA.
RM's talking about their missions. What's new? Say it again. Say it again.
I'm having fun.
Here we go.
Oh my gosh.
Almost to Chicken Out Ridge. Maybe. I hope so. It's now snowing. We're now above 11,100 feet. The highest Whitney has ever been.
Woo! Feeling high.
And we have some friends coming down. We'll tell you what they say. Ever inching forward in a snowstorm. Headed up there. So the nice thing is there are two other couples ahead of us. So there are actually footprints, which kind of give you a nice little path to follow. So that's good. Okay, here's kind of a bad part. Let's see what Kaia thinks of it.
I don't want to see.
I already did. It's fine. There's like good footholds though.
Maybe I should close my eyes.
That's a horse fly. Do you see where?
Holy. What? Wait, did they?
No. Let's turn around on the upper saddle. Hey, there's a nice view though.
Okay, we are on Chicken Out Ridge. Woo! Hi. Where's Jared? He's over there somewhere. Oh, there he is. This is insane! Crazy!
Here we are. We met our new friends from Missoula. Opened up down there. That's where we're headed. Good job, Jared. Over here.
This actually is good. It's crazy. Oh my god.
Careful.
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree.
Okay, we made it to the nose and we're deciding to turn around. The weather just isn't really optimal. And the snow...
I feel good about it.
Yeah, we feel good about it. We're happy. And the snow just kind of makes it a little slippery. And that's what we just came out. I'm kind of nervous to go down. Hopefully hopefully we can find Jared. So, yep. Okay! We are in a blizzard on top of this ridge.
So cold.
It looks so cool though.
Look at your hair.
It's for the vlog. It's for the vlog.
Look at yourself.
Woo!
Sorry, it's so zoomed in.
Denise, if you ever notice, look at my legs.
Wow.
We found Jared!
This is the most scared I've ever been in my life. Sorry, Mommy.
Look, it's Jared!
Yes.
Yay! You can see me shivering with the camera. We're chilling. Almost back on the Chicken Out Ridge.
Should we take a selfie all together?
Yeah, we should. There's the top over there. Okay, we've made it back down off of Chicken Out Ridge. Still pretty slippery though, thanks to the winter conditions. We can't see the path. Well, we're just going down, so should be fine. I just met two guys. They drove here from Boise. They're hoping to make it at the top.
They drove so far. I don't think they
Look for them. They live, we're near our friend Mia.
Yeah.
Try
Go
to-
Yotes.
Go Yotes. I can't do it right now.
Go what?
Yotes. Do the thing. Teach me the thing.
It's like this. Like Quiet Coyote. Yeah.
Go Yotes. We saw the valley floor there for a second, but it disappeared again. Because look how far down this snow goes. Holy crap. There was not snow here before.
I forgot to bound. I need.
This is a good memory.
This is a good memory.
It's a good memory. Did I just get lost? I went off the trail. My bad, guys. It's over there. It's over. Look, this is literally so pretty. The peak is right over there. It's hidden in the clouds, but we're up a little above those clouds. Hey, there's the valley floor. Nice. That's where we're headed.
I don't want to snack.
This is a cinematic video.
Oh, this is my video. Gang.
ASMR.
Probably. Although we didn't get to the top.
That's beautiful.
You like me big.
And just like that, folks, the clouds are going away. Wow, there's some pretty peaks over there, too. That's where we were. Where we are. Wow. God is good. Wow. It's clearing up. Sounds like there's an avalanche down there, but I can't find it. It's so cool. Such a pretty place. Well, we didn't get her today. Next time on Survivor. The mountain got lucky this time. Fresh snowfall on the peaks. Mountains are clearing up and we're just in awe. This is absolutely gorgeous. All around. Blue skies. Mr. Blue Sky, please tell us why you had to hide away for so long. Kaia's whittling on the mountain.
Hello. Jared, say hey. Look at the pretty view. We're just cruising, going down. Down the mountains. Preston's leg hairs are thawing, and he's really mad about it. It's been good. The sun's finally coming out, and yeah. I just want to testify of God that He is real, that He is good, that He saves us even when we're dumb.
Look, it's the car. Yay! Almost there. Almost there. There's still snow clear down here. The fence it for yourself. You started treating and reading every treatise on the shelf. There would have been nothing left to do for someone less just to be. Would have been dead and destitute without a central institution. Started working for his late mother's land, trading sugar cane and ramen, all the things he can't afford. Saving for every book he can get his hand. New man. In New York, you can be a new man. In New York, you can be a new man. Never learn to take your time. Alexander Hamilton. Into a flame. But dang, it's getting hot, so let me spell it. My name. I'm the A-M-E-X-A-N-D-E-R. We are a colony that runs independently. Meanwhile, Britain keeps spitting on us endlessly. Essentially, they tax us relentlessly. The King George turns around, runs a spending spree. He ain't ever gonna set his descendants free. So there will be a revolution in this century. Enter me, he says in parentheses. Don't be shocked when your history book mentions my dying days. When you're gone, I'll go mad. So don't throw away this thing we had. Cause when push comes to shove, I will kill your friends and family. Da, 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 da. We did it! We're back here at the car. Wait, I have to be the first one to touch it. 1. Whitney, are you Spider-Man? Yeah.
Like, yeah.
I didn't open it though. Got a second. Kaia, what'd you think of that?
It was pretty crazy, but pretty worth it.
Probably the craziest weather I've ever seen on a hike.
My knees are killing me.
Do you need something for this?
Lick my knees, they hurt. Oh, Whitney.
What are your thoughts? Post-hike thoughts?
I'm glad we didn't die. And it was a fun adventure.
God carried.
God carried us through.
Jared, thoughts?
For all you first timers out there, let me give you an advice. Don't bring a cotton jacket wearing cotton undersleeves thinking it's going to keep you dry.
I won't.
Overall, 100 out of 10.
Let's go.
That was a great experience.
We didn't know Jared 6 days ago. We met him on Monday and said, you want to come on a hike? And now look at him.
My first hike ever.
Almost died.
Almost died, but God did.